I have these Nike ankle shorts and this like sports bra. Let's go running.
They got a name for girls like me. They got a name, but no one wants to say it. They write songs about girls like me. When I'm around, no one wants to play it. It's other song for a girl like me. I wonder why they resent a girl like me. 'Cause I don't even have to try. Girls like me don't even have to
We're in Italy, specifically in Cinque Terre, which is just like 5 little like villages or cities, and we are in Manarola, which is one of them. It's around 11 o'clock right now, but I went running today. I've only ran like 2 kilometers, I think, but it's fine. And yeah, now we ate breakfast, baby. And now we're planning to go to the beach and try to spend the whole day there because we are very lazy and very tired. So we just want to rest and yeah. We are ready finally after like an hour, but yeah.
Finally.
We are going to the beach. Baby. Baby, what did we just discover?
We just discovered that our beach is closed.
So now we have to find a place elsewhere, but it's gonna be probably packed with other people. Yay! But yeah, anyways, we're not losing hope.
Yeah.
And we're back home. We got some food, takeaway food.
I have spaghetti ragu, and it's from our neighbor's mother. So we have
should be
typical.
very good, and I have pomodoro spaghetti. And we also got this, which is like an Italian beer, so we'll see how that will be. Anyways, bon appetit! Hey, we are going to the city again because we didn't have enough food. So now we're going to like another takeaway type of restaurant, and now we're taking away fried fish and fries. So, yay. Hey! It's around 6 p.m. now. We fell asleep and we slept for like 3 hours, I think, or 2. I don't know. We slept for a long time. Yeah, we basically spent like half of the day here, but it's okay. We have still 2 more days here. This is my outfit. I'm wearing this little dress that I made. Here's the video. And then I tied this little sheer shirt over it. I'm taking this bag and then platform flip-flops. You're wearing a beautiful outfit, baby. And yeah, basically now we're just gonna go to the town and have like a little walk, and then we're gonna find a place to eat and we're gonna have a dinner. Yay! So yeah, let's go. Hey boo. It's around 9 o'clock now. 9 o'clock in the morning, which is very early for us. We decided to go swimming in the morning because after yesterday, we know that in the morning the beaches are empty, and during the day that's when the beaches get so full that you can't really go there anymore. So we decided to go swimming now and then return back to our hotel, eat some breakfast, and then go to the city. So yeah, how are you feeling, baby?
Great, like always with you.
Hello.
ever get back? Will we ever get back to then?
So we just came home and we took a shower, I changed, and we also picked up some takeaway pizza, and now we're gonna eat.
Chin chin. Salud.
Chin. Salud.
Corrida español.
Hey, what did we get?
So we just bought the special fish sandwich.
Yeah.
Spicy.
Because
For
we were
you.
what? Still hungry after a whole pizza. Like it. Hi, so we literally just slept in bed for like the past 3 hours again. Now I got all dressed up. This is my outfit. Probably already saw it in this video where I planned all my outfits for Italy. But yeah, I'm wearing this yellow skirt, this yellow top, this like midi skirt, and these platform flip-flops. So yeah, and now we're going to dinner.
Can't stop thinking about the way you know. There's something weird inside my head. You got me feeling round the world.
10 seconds later. How was it?
Thank you.
Leave your skin like a
Oh, baby.
Does it count?
Hey, what you got here?
It's like a breath. He couldn't speak English and he was mad at me because I haven't any mask on my face.
But we got
He was
it.
Italian, so
But
that
Italians
is
should
the
be
answer.
nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
should be, but they cannot do business.
Okay, anyways, so we're going on a night walk through the city. And we're probably gonna get a little bit drunk because this is our second wine. Oh yeah! I love you! I love you!
I'll just stay inside
Always back! Am I heavy?
No, you're not.
We just spent 2 hours at the beach.
Yeah, we just spent 2 hours sitting and drinking white wine.
And we are a
And
little
we
bit
were
drunk.
talking about our relationship and,
it was
about how lucky we are.
intense, yeah.
And it was intense because we were talking
About our past.
about our past.
Anyways, we're going to our hotel and we're gonna sleep and we'll see you in the
Finally.
morning. Good night.